do you say we go for a ramble there on Monkey Mountain? Sounds fun to me. Let's go, guys. Oh, there goes a bunny. I just missed the bunny rabbit. Hey guys, I thought today would be a good day to do a Q&A. It's been a while. Let's go. Good morning, guys. It's good to see you all.
I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay. A one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine. In the shade of a tree and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast. One breath away.
So we literally have no idea where we are. So who are we and where did this channel come from? So if you're new around here, we are Press Play on Life. When our mama passed away, I realized that we just didn't have any videos of her at all. So I started filming everything and I thought, well, you know what the heck? Let's put it out on YouTube. Now, I need a channel name. Karen, I need a channel name. Karen's my sister. I said to her one day, I just feel like I've been living my life on pause. And Karen said, well, you just need to press play. And that's where our channel name came from. And we had a special needs sister who really wanted to be a movie star. Her name was Nancy, and she was all over getting to be the star in the videos. But sadly, last February, she passed away, and gosh, have we missed her. She was so talkative. She would talk your leg off. She had music going all the time, her TV on really loud. You just would not have a moment's peace, because she needed your full attention all the time. And so since she's been gone, it has been incredibly loudly silent, and it's taken a lot of adjusting to not having all that noise. And gosh, we just miss her absolutely, just terribly. Our catchphrase was 3 sisters, a golden doodle, and a truck, press play on life. Now it's 2 sisters, a golden doodle, and a truck, press play on life. So some of you want to know, where are we? Where are we located? We are here in Missouri, out in the country outside Kansas City. I don't know if you realize it, but Missouri is full of hills, rolling hills. And then you get further south, you got mountains. Yes, Missouri does have mountains. They're called the Ozarks. And I'm out here on a walk, and I didn't bring the dog. And yes, the dog is a golden doodle. She's 9 years old. She was a gift for graduating with my master's degree in teaching. She sleeps next to me every night and hogs the bed. I adore that doggy. And yeah, she's 9 years old. Right now I'm wondering why I chose to walk up this hill. Look at that. Hey, isn't that cool? I found some deer tracks. I bet you they didn't have a hard time walking up this here hill. Time to exercise more, Cal. But we are having an absolutely gloriously beautiful 56-degree day before Valentine's Day. Usually it's like cold, like a normal February, and snowy or icy. Hey, I'll take this. This is nice. Mostly the footprints have been human shoes and doggy prints. Maybe a couple horse hoofs. But there she is. There's the truck. Not that anyone has asked or anyone probably cares, but I have been going more crunchy, as you would say, trying to get out all those chemicals and things that are really bad for your body. Because it's so warm today and I'm in a sweatshirt, I'm really testing out the limits of my natural deodorant. Okay, future Kelly here. For the last few months, I have been using pit liquor, pine and peppermint. It's a good deodorant. By the way, this is not sponsored by anybody, but I've been using pit liquor. I feel like I had to apply it a lot more than just once a day. So I've moved on and I'm now using Native. So I'm going to try it out for a while. And this is the extra sensitive. I cannot use the baking soda stuff. It hurts me. So we'll see how these play out. I've got their sweet cinnamon hearts. So it's their Valentine's Day ones, and strawberry vanilla taffy. So hopefully those will be what I can start using now. My little town used to be a lot more rural and agricultural when I was a kid, but nowadays it's become more of a suburb of Kansas City. The truck is I think 2008 Ford F-150. The 2008 is what I'm not quite sure about. When I get in the house, I'll ask Karen. Okay, it's not a 2008, it's a 2005. Bring it here. Bring it here. But you guys, that's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.